Okay, guys, I'm going to tell about Kellogg's Corn Flakes. With Kellogg's Corn Flakes, it's the original and the best since 1906. Goodness of a simple grain, okay? The Kellogg's Corn Flakes, and I'm going to tell you how to make double coated chicken with Kellogg Corn Flakes. Double coated chicken with Kellogg Corn Flakes. The classic recipe creates tender, juicy chicken peas with a crisp, delicious, coated and Kellogg's Corn Flakes cereal. Ingredients: 7 cup Kellogg's Flakes, 1 egg, 1 cup fat-free milk, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, a quart teaspoon pepper, 3 pound chicken peas, 3 tablespoon margarine or butter melted. And find direction for this recipe and other great flavors at Kellogg's.com. Kellogg Juicy Chicken. Mwah! That's good.